Thank you, sir. You performed really well. You ignited the hall again. मेरा नाम लविश शर्मा है. मैं पेशे से एक वकील हूँ दिल्ली में और पैशन से एक कहानीकार स्टोरी टेलर हूँ. वैसे मैं शेरो शायरी लिखता हूँ, गज़ल लिखता हूँ, नज़्म लिखता हूँ. बट मैंने थीम फॉलो करी, खुद को एक चैलेंज दिया कि आज कुछ अलग चीज़ लिखी जाती है. बिकॉज शायर वही होता है जो उदास होता है, तो आज उदासी नहीं बता सकते. तो आज मैंने बहुत बैंगलोरियन टॉपिक चूज करा है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. सो एआई इज हियर दोस्तों. एआई इज हियर. मानो या ना मानो, और मान ही लो, तुम्हारी आधी नौकरी वही कर रहा है. राइट. सो द टर्म आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस मीन्स समथिंग विच इज मैन मेड, जो किसी इंसान ने बनाया है. लाइक गॉड, रिलीजन, वॉर्स और ट्रैफिक जैम्स. या so artificial is man-made, and they are like both sides of it. There's a huge debate that some are saying it's friendly to us, some are saying that it will destroy us, and I like both of them. Like it might end our species. I like it. I don't mind it. It should, if it feels like. Alright. Artificial intelligence. Let's say हमें आज से कई सालों बाद नौकरियों में हेल्प करेगा. What it will do is it will assign us a role. हमारा रोल ये होगा कि हम उससे काम करवाएं. हमारा यही रोल बचेगा. एंड आई थिंक हम जो इंसान होंगे, हम सबकी रीब्रांडिंग होने वाली है. हम अपने कास्ट, रिलीजन की वजह से नहीं, हमारे फंक्शन की वजह से जाने जाएंगे. जैसा मेरा बॉस मुझे बोलेगा, लविश जीपीटी ये कहाँ है ड्राफ्ट अभी तक आया क्यों नहीं? मैं कहूँगा सर वो चैट जीपीटी क्रैश कर चुका है. सैम ऑल्टमैन ने ट्वीट करा है कि पानी खत्म हो गया है. तो वहाँ गर्माहट बहुत हो गई, तो इसलिए क्रैश हो चुका है. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, हम चैट जीपीटी को नेग्लेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. आई गेस सभी लोग यूज करते होंगे. नॉट यू सर, बट हम सभी लोग यूज करते होंगे. सो आई रिसर्च ऑन दिस टॉपिक कि चैट जीपीटी पे क्या बात करी जा सकती है. The first thing which was very interesting to me was a recent interview between our beloved Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, and Bill Gates. Have you guys seen that video? No? So it's an interesting video because Bill Gates is saying that the third generation of AI will bring revolution, it will bring value. Modi ji just interrupts him and says the most Modi thing he can. Right? Yeah. Modi ji starts that once a child is born in India, his first words are I. So from the beginning, that child knows what AI is because it's I. And I think and I believe this, that script was written by ChatGPT. Why I say so? And why I say so? Because I believe that if it was written by a human, it would definitely have at least 3 slogans, 2 Sanskrit quotes, and somehow blamed it on Jawaharlal Nehru. Yeah, you guys trust me? Like, you also think, right? No, you don't? So you're a left winger or right winger?
I'm not part of this audience.
Sir, I'm an advocate. I'll get everything. Everything. Don't worry about it. I know my rights. Fuck this government. I don't care, man. Yeah. I have freedom of speech and expression. You too, sir. I'll save you too. Free of charge. I'll do it free of charge. But yeah, so I think that was literally written by ChatGPT because it was an artificial script written for artificial script performed by some artificial men for a nation who's artificially in the belief that we'll get an independence since independence, right? So next thing, there was this recent trend in ChatGPT, the Ghibli style images. You guys saw that? Sir, what Ghibli style means is, so you take a picture, like both of you look really cute, but you can take it and create something like Doraemon and Shinchan. Yeah, you can convert the pictures to that. Okay, so that was really in trend, and that thing, ma'am, actually helped us, man, a lot. You know why? Because Indian women are generally quite reserved in putting their partner's picture on social media. But through that Ghibli style, what happened was everyone was posting this because we don't know who the boy are. So that was like really helpful for us men. But I was also under the peer pressure that I also need to put some couple pictures. I had ChatGPT Premium, but I didn't have a girlfriend. So what I did was, sir, that there is this couple, my favorite couple, Chris Martin and Dakota Johnson. They were in India recently. They went to a temple. I took that picture and converted it into Ghibli style and posted on my social media saying "My Yellow." And that thing actually fucked me because that time I had 4 potential girlfriends. Then I had none. Yeah. So, but one thing that has fucked me even more than that is teaching my parents how to use ChatGPT. That thing has fucked me like anything. I'll tell you why, sir. So I went through my father's history of ChatGPT. The first thing that my father asked ChatGPT. Okay, the first thing he asked is, I have invested 40 lakh rupees in my son's education till date. How much money should I expect in next 5 years? And you can see his son is performing here, not doing anything, not earning, paying him to perform here. Yeah. The next thing is pretty crazy. Like my father literally asked, because my father is a right winger, he believes it, he loves it. Okay, he asked, will Mr. Yogi Adityanath will be the next Prime Minister after Modi's death? Okay, so he asks it. And ChatGPT very frankly says that the chances are really bleak, sir. I don't think Mr. Yogi Adityanath will be the Prime Minister. And my father was agitated. He said, you are fucking Congress party's agenda. And he didn't stop at that. He told to ChatGPT, do you know the meaning of GPT? What GPT stands for in ChatGPT? ChatGPT says, no. Tell me, sir. He says, you're Gandhi Parivar ka tatta. Then I went to check my mom's history. My mom's... Yeah. Then I went to check my mom's history. My mom's first question request to ChatGPT was, can you prepare a biodata for my son? And she also didn't stop at that. She continued that make sure you make the biodata as good as possible so that my son can get the most amount of dowry. ChatGPT said, ma'am, I can prepare the biodata, but it's illegal to take dowry in India. My mom very clearly, my father is also an advocate. She's also an advocate now because she lives with both of us. She says it's illegal only if it is reported. Yeah. So that's my father and mother using ChatGPT. But I also use ChatGPT, like I love it. I use it as my therapist, I use it as my motivator. So it's like when I was thinking of coming here to perform here, it's my first time performing in Bangalore. So I was quite confused because usually I do Shero Shairi Nazm. That's all in Hindi and Urdu. I was worried that some guy from Kannada might bully me and say for doing poetry in Hindi or Urdu. So I was quite scared. So I asked ChatGPT, is it okay if I do it in Hindi or should I do it in English? He was also like, there will be a Kannada guy who will bully you. Who might even hit you for that. That's why I prepared everything in English. I'm in Rajasthani. My entire region does not speak English. Yeah. So I come here and ChatGPT very ferociously told me that you should not hesitate in speaking in Hindi or anything. Remember the Vidya Sharma from Chak De India. Yeah. You're an Indian. You're an Indian first before anything. Just go and do it. You'll have fun. And so I came here. And that moment I felt like I was literally talking to Sandeep Maheshwari. So, do you know Sandeep Maheshwari? Ma'am, I'll tell you. So Sandeep Maheshwari is like a pseudo motivator. She takes money from young students to motivate them to take a government job so that they can get married. get good dowry. That's what he does. But ChatGPT does it for free. So yeah, ChatGPT, and the one thing that even like human beings can't give me, ChatGPT said one thing कि तू कर लेगा. He gave me that confidence कि तू कर लेगा भाई, तू स्टेज पे तो चढ़, तू कर लेगा. कोई कन्नड़ी का भी हुआ तो उससे वो भी हंस लेगा. That's my time, guys. You've been a lovely audience. My name is Ravi. Please welcome back to host.
Just one word again. All the best. All the best to everybody. All the best to me. All the best.